a concise roundup of the key general knowledge and current affairs curated for competitive exams. National Security and Defense. India's first anti-terror policy, PRAHAR. The Ministry of Home Affairs, MHA, officially released the nation's first comprehensive counter-terrorism framework titled PRAHAR. It focuses on tackling cross-border terrorism, nation-state cyber attacks, and protecting critical infrastructure like space, ports, and atomic energy. Replacement of Lutyens statue. PM Narendra Modi announced that the statue of British architect Edwin Lutyens at Rashtrapati Bhavan will be replaced with a statue of C. Rajagopalachari, the first Indian Governor-General of independent India. Condolences for Mukul Roy. Political leaders across India expressed grief over the passing of former Union Railway Minister Mukul Roy. Infrastructure and governance. Meerut Metro and Namo Bharat. Prime Minister Modi inaugurated the Meerut Metro and the 82-kilometer Delhi-Meerut Namo Bharat corridor. This marks a milestone in NCR's regional connectivity, specifically opening the stretch between Sarai Kale Khan and New Ashoknagar. Skill India Digital Hub. Bollywood legend Amitabh Bachchan has been appointed as the brand ambassador for the Skill India Digital Hub to promote digital literacy and vocational training. Economy and finance. SEBI update. SEBI Chairman Tuhin Kanta Pandey proposed a major overhaul of the 2020 Portfolio Management Services (PMS) regulations. He noted that India is on track to become the world's third-largest economy. International affairs. Netherlands' new leadership, Rob Jetten, 38, is set to be sworn in as the youngest ever Prime Minister of the Netherlands. He is also the country's first openly gay head of government. Nuclear talks. Iran and the US are scheduled to resume nuclear negotiations in Geneva on the 26th of February 2026. Conflict in Afghanistan. India officially condemned the recent airstrikes conducted by Pakistan on Afghan territory. Sports and awards. BAFTA 2026. The Manipuri film Boom won the Best Children's and Family Film Award. Actress Jessie Buckley won Best Actress, and the thriller One Battle After Another dominated the ceremony with 6 major awards. Tennis milestone. 21-year-old Vaishnavi Adkar became the first Indian woman since 2009 to reach the singles final of a W100 tournament. Important day, the 23rd of February. World Peace and Understanding Day, observed annually on the 23rd of February to commemorate the first meeting of Rotary International, 1905, and to promote global harmony and humanitarian service. Daily Current Affairs Quiz, the 23rd of February 2026. Question 1. What is the name of India's first comprehensive anti-terrorism policy recently released by the Ministry of Home Affairs? A. Rakshak. B. PRAHAR, Prahar C. Vijay. D. Sarvashakti. Question B. Which Indian leader's statue has been announced to replace the statue of Edwin Lutyens at Rashtrapati Bhavan? A. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. B. B.R. Ambedkar. C. Rajagopalachari. D. Subhash Chandra Bose. Question 3. Who has been recently appointed as the brand ambassador for the Skill India Digital Hub? A. Akshay Kumar. B. Amitabh Bachchan. C. Pankaj Tripathi. D. Ranbir Kapoor. Question 4. Rob Jetten is set to be sworn in as the youngest ever Prime Minister of which country? A. France. B. Netherlands. C. Germany. D. Sweden. Question 5. Which Manipuri film won the Best Children's and Family Film Award at BAFTA 2026? A. Boom. B. Mary Kom. C. Manipur Diaries. D. The Last Film Show. Question 6. Which day is observed every year on the 23rd of February? A. World Hindi Day. B. World Peace and Understanding Day. C. National Science Day. D. International Mother Language Day. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Don't forget to like and share this video with others. Thank you for watching.